This question asks, what are the I think they meant top, disadvantages of a land trust versus an LLC? I always talk about how I like land trusts for holding rental property here in the state of Florida. I believe they give you a lot of the protections of an LLC, plus they give you anonymity, which keeps your name off the public records. That's always helpful if you have a tenant who you have to ask politely to move somewhere else. It's nice if they don't go to the property appraiser site and find your home address. And even if it's not on the property appraiser site, because you have it in an LLC, if they go to Sunbiz, which is Florida's division of corporations website, most people with an LLC typically name their home address as the primary mailing address. That's a bad idea, but I digress. So, disadvantages of a land trust that I can tell. The only disadvantages that I or my clients have run into with land trust is that big box banks don't know what to do with them or how to deal with them. And I'm okay with that because big box banks suck when it comes to lending for investment properties. That being said, we do work with a bunch of portfolio lenders and small community style banks that are more than willing to work with the land trust structure. And so I don't really think it's a huge disadvantage, but if I had to guess, that would be the largest disadvantage if you walk into a Bank of America or a Wells Fargo branch and say, I have a land trust, or I'm buying a property in a land trust. Can you loan me money? They will probably say no, but like I said, not a big deal. That would be the only thing that I can think of that is a disadvantage. Title companies get a little squirrely when you go to sell the property, but that's really never an issue because all we need to do is move the property out of the land trust and back into your personal name before you sell it. And I've never had a title company give us problems with that. But that's a great question. So do your research. And if you are in Florida, certainly we can help you. If you are outside of Florida, land trust can be a very different beast because different states have land trust statutes. Some states don't have a land trust statute at all. So check with the local attorney if you're outside the state of Florida as to whether a land trust versus an LLC may be your best bet. Have a great day.